YouTube? It is Reagan here and welcome back to my channel. So if you're over 40 and you are looking to build your body aesthetically and you don't know where to start, today I'm going to share with you my current leg day routine, which is helping shape my lower body but also keeping my joints protected and building strength along the way. If you are interested in doing those things and trying to figure out what you're going to do about your fitness routine, definitely consider watching this video. This workout, we're going to start out with some sled pulls. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with these things, but this is the best warm-up that you can do, to be honest, to kind of fire up your lower body, get all of those muscles awake and really feel them working. So I do 3 sets of sled pulls, not to the point of exhaustion, because the point here is to just activate the muscles and get them fired up. So you want to use less weight and you want to do 3 rounds for a short distance, a challenging distance, but a short distance, okay? So as you can see, it's going to activate your quads, it's going to activate your hamstrings, your calves are going to be firing, and you're going to feel your body just come alive. And to me, this is an appropriate warm-up for a leg day routine. So here we are starting our workout with step-ups. This is going to be a unilateral movement. Helps build not only your quads, but you're activating your hamstrings and your core. Core is so important, especially after having a tummy tuck. So any kind of unilateral movements that help you focus on your balance is going to be those movements that help you build longevity over a lifetime. Evidence shows that as we age, there's a reduction in the ability to balance, which increases the risk of falls and also decreases your ability to be physically active. Who wants that? Don't overdo it and try to pick up the heaviest weight, because really this is not ego lifting. This is not what we're doing. Today we're doing 25 pounds on the weight. Next week we'll go up in order to incorporate progressive overload into our workouts. That is really what's going to build the muscular strength over time. So let's get into the next exercise. Are you guys excited? Are you getting anything from this? I hope so. Leg press. Now, many will argue with you and say that leg press is not a functional exercise because it is not mimicking everyday activity. And I would probably agree with them, but it is helping you build strength in your lower body without putting pressure on your spine and without putting pressure on your knees if you are using the proper form. So, with that being said, leg press should be a part of your routine. If you are a person that likes to squat on the free rack with weights, that puts a lot of pressure on your back and your knees, and if your form is not right, you run the risk of really damaging your back and getting yourself in a sticky situation as far as that goes. As for me, I want to protect my back. I was in a car wreck when I was in 8th grade and already fractured my lower back. So I'm really particular about the exercises that I do, especially when I'm working out alone. So the leg press keeps me nice and safe and keeps me protected from being injured. Okay, so we're going to roll into the next exercise, which is on the leg extension machine. Y'all, I absolutely adore this machine. It's going to be the queen of building those quads and giving you that nice aesthetic shape to your leg over time. So right now, after my bodybuilding competition, the judges said to grow my lower body, so the leg extension machine is a staple in my routine. As you age, not only does your skin get softer and you lose muscle mass, but also things like cellulite and the thickness of your legs can kind of be an issue just because the skin is thinner. So what I'm striving to do is build the muscle up so that my legs are actually bigger, because I have the ability to carry more muscle on my lower body. And therefore, after I lost all of the weight that I lost, you can tell that I really did not have as much muscle as I thought I did. So the leg extension is a pivotal part of my workout routine. If you have knee injuries or anything like that, it's probably not going to be the best machine for you. You can try to find other ways, like using bands, to do leg extensions, or just another exercise that targets your quad. Because of where I am here in Colorado, I usually have to, use equipment in different ways, because there sometimes is a limitation on equipment that's available to me at the time. So I not only like to do my leg extensions on the leg extension machine, but I also like to do hamstring curls. And you can also do glute kickbacks on the leg extension machine. So machines can be used in different ways. So I really try to get the most out of the machines that I can, because if you're using a machine and you're working out by yourself, it's gonna keep you safe if you're using the proper form and getting the movements done correctly. Okay? So that's my little tidbit on that and my little struggle with where we are now. Now, last but not least is going to be specifically working abs. After a tummy tuck surgery, your core needs to be re-strengthened. During the surgery, they do not cut any muscles, but they just bring your six-pack back together. Now, I will tell you that I did not move into working my abs directly, like doing ab workouts and ab exercises, until a year after my surgery. Now, for most, that might seem like that's a long time to wait, but I really still felt tender every time I would try to do like a sit-up or leg ups. So I waited a year. It's up to you and your physician how long it's going to be beneficial for you to wait. But now I feel like I killed the abs, okay? So I like to do decline sit-ups and then also leg ups. So these are going to help you target not only your lower abdominal region, but also your hip flexors. I find that a lot of times that I feel my hip flexors being really tight, hence the reason why we also need to have a stretch regimen as a part of our daily fitness routine. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to be beautiful your own way. Bye.